Alright y'all, today we got another video featuring the Sehmua 4G LTE camera. No Wi-Fi needed, guarding every scene. 4G camera on the go. So we're gonna set this up because I'm trying to actually keep an eye on my garden area, and then on this side, this will really keep an eye on the backyard for me. Alright, so step one is mount the camera to the wall, separate the camera from the bracket, and then you fix the bracket into the wall. Thing in the back, turn it on and off underneath, and it also has a DC port. On the bottom of the camera you got a reset, you got the SIM card in there. It also comes with tweezers so you can pull it out. You can put an SD card under there too. Under there. Then you attach the camera back to the base. It snaps right in. Then we mount the solar panel to the camera. We install the bracket on the back of the solar panel, and you lock it in, and you'll hear it snap. So once it snaps, you're in. And then we're gonna put this on the top of the camera. You can actually mount the solar panel to the wall or a tree. It don't have to go on top of the camera, but we're gonna put ours on top of the camera. All right, so now we're gonna download the app with that QR code. Then they give you a bunch of prompts. You follow that, set it up. So it's pretty simple, pretty fast too. It's set right up. It records audio so you can hear what's going on. I actually had a situation where my chickens were going off one morning. I didn't know what was out there, but the camera pretty much picked up the audio and picked up the video very well. And it also had the spotlight on it too. But that's it, y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Appreciate Sehmua for sending this out. If you got interested in getting you one, click the link in the description and check them out. Till the next one.